Hello students, today we are going to see billing service in AWS. So, billing and cost management service which is provided by AWS have the features that helps us in paying our bills and optimizing our cost for the services which are going to avail from AWS cloud. So, Amazon Web Services bills your account for your usage, means what, how much you are going to use, you will pay only that much. You take servers for 100 days, you will pay, and in between you stop it for after 50 days, you need to pay only for 50 days, you need not pay for 100 days. So, pay only for what you use. So, this management and AWS billing and cost management service will provide you with the features of, it helps us to set up your billing, retrieve and track your invoices, analyze, organize, plan and optimize your costs. So, to get started, set up your billing to match your requirements. For individuals or small organizations, AWS will automatically charge with the credit card which is provided. So, what are the features of AWS billing we will see here. So, first feature is billing and payment. So, in bills page you can download your invoices or you can view your detailed monthly billing, whatever you have done in this whole month, that detailed billing you can see and how it is calculated, those all details you can see in this bills page. Next, purchase orders, you can create and manage your purchase orders to according to your requirements of your office or organization. So, what you want for the next coming month, you can purchase and order it. So, these two things are coming in bills and payments, and few more things. You can understand your outstanding or past due payment balance and payment history. So, in payments page you can see what all you have paid and how much is paid for last 1 year and what is the payment for the last 6 months, all the details whatever you want to see you can see. In payment profiles you can set up various ways of filling the paying the bills, multiple payment methods or different AWS service providers or parts of your organization, you can set up multiple payment methods. And credits, you can review your credit balances and choose where credit should be applied. Billing preferences, this feature help me enable voice delivery by email. So, if you want to see your bills or you want to see your invoice using mails, you can do this, and your preferences and what preferences you are applying for paying the bills. Are you going to use credit sharing, and what alerts you want you will get, and what discount is there, that will be also shared in the billing preferences. So, that is all about first feature. Next feature is cost analysis. It helps to me to analyze the cost, export detailed cost and usage data and forecast your spending. Means what, with this page you can see what is your requirement and for that requirement what cost is required, all those details can be seen in these features. So, there is something called AWS Cost Explorer. It helps you to analyze your cost and usage data with the visuals and filtering and grouping. So, it will show you visuals, if you use this much data for these many days or these many servers for these many days, all visuals will be shown and filtering and grouping will be done. So, if I want to use some S3 servers, if I want to use some main servers, those all it will group together, which is best and what is best, that will be decided, that can be decided with the help of this AWS Cost Explorer. Next, you have data exports, which create custom data exports from billing, cost management data sets. So, what data is used and what data is yet to be used, those all details you can see in this. Next, cost anomaly detection means what, you can automatically set alerts if some anomaly is going on. That anomaly can be seen with the help of alerts which are created using cost and anomaly detection. Free tier, monitor current and forecasted use of free tier services to avoid unexpected costs. So, means what, if anything is available free on the cloud, that on the AWS, they will alert you, they will let you know, and that you can use. Next is cost organization. So, you can go through across your teams and what applications they are using and what customers are going to use. Based on this you can organize your costs. So this feature will help me to organize the cost. So in this we have cost categories, means map cost to teams, applications or environments, and view these costs along these dimensions in cost explorer and data exports. So about two features which we have studied. So those two features can be used. One is called cost explorer and the other is called data exports, and then you can map or you can find out what are the cost categories, how much cost I can put on these services which are provided by AWS. Cost allocation tags, use resource tags to organize and then view cost by cost allocation tag in cost explorer and cost data exports. See, you will understand all these details properly when you see practically the things, but here I am just explaining. So there are some tags available which you can tag for which cost, what tag is there, you are putting those tags, and with those tags you can understand and organize what cost is paid for what services, that can be understood. Next, planning and budgeting can be done. Estimate the cost of a planned workload, create budgets to track and control costs. So in the future what I want to use, how much the financial ability is given by the organization, what cost is given by the organization, that all can be planned with the help of budgeting and planning. In that, budgets is the first thing. Set custom budgets for cost and usage to govern costs across your organization and receive alerts when cost exceeds your defined thresholds. This is what organization tells that this time for cloud services we are going to pay you this much. So before that, the team who is using these cloud services, they should know how much they have used and how much more an account is left, so that certain alerts they can get with the help of this budgets page. Savings and commitments, optimize resource usage and use flexible pricing models to lower your bill. So whenever some offers are coming, they can see this, or they should optimize, means what, rather than using now whatever they want, optimization will be done, so based on the bill and used properly. So that is what saving and commitments. Next, AWS cost optimization hub, identify savings opportunities with tailored recommendations, including deleting unused resources, right sizing, savings, plans and reservations. So you need to optimize the cost, that can be done by using the resources properly. Unused resources should be shut down and right sized, or you should remove them so that cost will become optimized. Saving plans, reduce your bill compared to on demand prices with flexible pricing models. So you should compare the pricing models which are available. So with that, whichever pricing model is suitable for your organization, that you can take. Manage your savings plans inventory, review purchase recommendations and analyze saving plan utilization and coverage. So these all are financial or budgetary terms which you can understand when you read. Reservations, reserve capacity at discounted rates for Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, Amazon RDS services, and then Amazon Redshift, Amazon DynamoDB and more. Means what, whenever you are getting some discounted rates, you can reserve and keep that. If you are getting discount for this month for Amazon EC2 client servers, then you can order that and keep it properly. So this way reservations can also be done in the reservations page. Thank you.